February is a very important month for India. It's a very important month because the government presents its union budget and the expectations from the industry and from the people are galore. This year the government has a unique challenge, as it does actually every year. There's the decline in oil prices at one end, but then the focus on increase in the direct tax collections. The government and the people, the industry comes up with a very big wish list, and for the people, interestingly this time, the government has invited suggestions from the common man through a forum called People as Partners. Now, if I were to present the wish list or talk about it, I'd probably need another session for a few hours. But here's what we expect from this budget. The basic exemption or the slab rates in India haven't been tweaked for a while. There has been an ask for this to be done, and with the increasing inflation or the cost of living index, we are expecting a tweak for the benefit of the people in the basic exemption limits. This will also be in line with what the other countries do. Another very big expected change is the revival of the standard deduction. Now, we used to have this a couple of years ago. This was taken away, and a lot of countries have something similar to this. The numbers or how much the quantum would be is something that is debatable, but 100,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees is something that is expected. On the housing side, now a very big concern for the average middle class Indian, with the delay in the real estate projects, they've been delayed 2 to 3 years, there is an ask and an expectation that the limit of rupees 200,000 for the mortgage interest or the loss from house property will not be enhanced, but the time limit for completion of projects for this availing this limit will be increased from 3 to 5 years. So basically giving the individuals more time to complete their properties and take this increased limit. Another expected change is the rationalization of tax deducted at source or TDS rates to bring them in line with the average tax rate for a majority of the Indians. The last thing is on the technology front. The government has been speaking a lot about making the tax system simpler, technology to be used in bounds, making the assessment procedures simpler. So there is an expectation that there will be further simplification or rationalization of the entire system or the tax return filing process in particular, to make it easier for the common man to really pay up his taxes and to file his returns. So like I said, the wish list is long, and however the end of February is really awaited to see really what will strike through.